Are you receiving disk is either full or read-only error on Windows PC? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. The C drive on a Windows PC is the most important drive for running the Windows OS and other installed programs. By default, everything is saved to this drive unless we choose to save to a different drive. However, as time goes by and our use of it increases, the data on the drive accumulates and fills it. There are instances where we see a false warning of a full C drive or other drives. If you encounter the disk is either full or read-only error on Windows PC, watch this video to fix it easily. Let's get started. Method 1. Check for large files and organize them. When we encounter the disk is either full or read-only error on Windows 11, we need to identify large files and either delete them or organize them elsewhere so they don't consume space on our disk. To find large files, open File Explorer and type size greater than XYZ GB in the search bar. Like we are typing size greater than 1 GB here. It will show you files that are larger than what you have searched for. Repeat this process until you find the large files. After finding the large files, delete those you feel are unnecessary, move them to other drives or upload them to cloud storage devices like Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. This way, you do not have to part with the files but still get the storage space back for other essential files and the smooth running of the PC. Method 2. Check for errors on disk. When there are any errors on the disk, you may abruptly see the error of a full or read-only disk. You need to check for any errors in the command prompt. Click on the Start menu and search for command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator from the search results. Then enter this command and press Enter. You need to replace partition letter with the letter of your drive. For the C drive, replace it with the drive letter followed by :C. Do not forget the colon symbol beside the drive letter. Like here, we are entering this command. It will check for errors on the disk you are having errors on and fix them. Method 3. Delete Windows.old folder. If you have recently upgraded your Windows version and are seeing the error, it can be due to Windows.old folder. Windows automatically saves the old Windows version in that folder on the C drive. It occupies a lot of space and makes it hard for you to save downloads or new files on the drive. To get rid of the error, in such circumstances, you need to remove the old folder from your PC permanently. To delete the Windows.old folder easily, open the Settings app, click System and select Storage. Select Yes from the USE prompt. Then click on Temporary Files. Wait a few seconds for it to scan your PC. After the scan, you will see the list of removable temporary files, which also includes previous Windows installation. Check the button beside it and click the Remove Files button above it. Wait for the process to complete. Then restart your PC. You have just reclaimed your storage space. To free up additional storage, follow the next step. Method 4. Run storage sense and clean up recommendations. Windows creates many files when we run programs on it. We download a lot of files and forget about them. They all pile up and occupy huge amounts of disk space over time, making it hard for new files and causing errors like disk is either full or read-only. You must delete the files you created manually on the disk, but the files created by the Windows PC while you are using it can be cleaned by Windows using the Settings app. Open the Settings app, select System and go to Storage. Under the Storage Management tab, click the Storage Sense. Then click Run Storage Sense now. Wait for the process to complete, then under the Storage Management, click Clean Up Recommendations. Check the buttons beside all the categories under Temporary Files and click Clean Up. Follow the same with large or unused files. Files synced to the cloud and unused apps. This will free up a lot of space on your PC. Method 5. Uninstall the cleanup program, reinstall and run it. If you have run a cleaning program like CC Cleaner and see the error, uninstall the program from your PC. To do that, open Settings. Select Apps, then Installed Apps. Click on the three dots menu next to the app you want to uninstall. Click on the Uninstall button that appears. Once done, restart your PC and reinstall it if you want to use it again. Or you can use the storage settings in the Settings app instead of third-party apps to optimize your Windows PC. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.